must look for the brachial pulse, but brachial pulse will be this side. Okay? Make sure your wirings are straight enough. Okay? So that it won't impede the sound. Then make sure your stethoscope is close. The bell is close so that it will be louder. Then you put it here. Make sure it's 2 finger breaths here. Okay?
Once you locate the brachial pulse, that is where you will put your stethoscope.
So you need to pump until 160 only or until you cannot hear anything. Do not reach it until 200. It's very painful for your patient. Okay, we put it here.
Send me
Alright, so it's gonna be only me who can hear. Do not use your thumb because your thumb can have a sound like a pulse. So you put like this. So you press it harder so that you can hear the pulse. So until 160 only. Then slowly release the air valve release. Her reading is 100/80. Okay, anyway, you cannot hear.